Hello, teacher and partners. Now we're going to start with the questions. All right, answer more questions. All right, continue. All university students should do part-time jobs while they are studying. Advantages per. I see. What are the advantages? What are the Alright, so all the university students should do a part-time of job. So this means that all the students should do the tax, for example, when they are in the university, because, for example, in the university we always have time, yeah. So in that space of time that we have without classes or doing anything, we can do some tags, yeah. For example, do some points here doing something of our tags, because if we wait until the last day, it's going to be a little bit complicated, yeah. So it's better to step by step from the beginning, right? All right, continue. Question one of one. Continue. All right. Waiting for the feedback. So sorry. Alright, good. Answer more questions. I want to talk about some visual information. First, look at the information and prepare your answer. Then speak for 1 minute. You will continue to see the visual information. Continue. You have been asked to give a presentation about acid rain. This diagram shows the information and effects assimilated. Look at the diagram and then give your presentation explaining how pollution causes. Alright, I'm checking here. Vehicles, factories. So the vehicles are the first part of the acid rains. After that goes the factories. The factories are the second part of the acid rain. Why? For the pollution that all the factories produce in the air. Okay, because the acid particles that the factories produce, like the smoke, goes to the air. And for example, the wine, like we can see here, the wine take these particles to the clouds, and after that, when it start raining, the rain goes with acid, with particles of acid, and that causes the acid rain. All right, teacher and classmates, let me finish here, because actually I already did a couple of lot of questions before. Let's wait for the feedback. For the reason the link is showing me like different questions. Alright, let's wait a little. Let's take a look here. Alright, checking here, good. Sorry. Alright, it's loading. Alright, good. Alright, good. Right, teacher and classmate, this is the final. Yeah, because I already did a couple of lot of questions. So for that, the system in the link is showing me these questions. So thank you for listening my video. Have a good day.